Well, hello everybody in hot Maine today. It's 80 degrees and very humid. I couldn't put an apron on because I couldn't take one more layer. We're going to make something really yummy today, and it is called Cuban beans and rice salad. So I have all the ingredients here and everything will be in the description box below. You need a half a cup of peeled and diced avocado right here, going right in. And you need 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar right here. You can use whatever brand you want. I happen to be using this brand. That's what I'm using today. And you want to do 1 tablespoon of olive oil. 1 tablespoon of olive oil right there. You want to do the first 6 ingredients and then mix. And you want 1 teaspoon of cumin right here. I like the smell of that. Yum, yum. And a half a teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. I'm using pink Himalayan salt and I have it together right here. So just like that. Get every bit we can out of here. There. And then we're just going to mix it around a little. Just like this. Just give it a little mix. Smells good already, and you know me, guys. If it smells good, I'm gonna like it. Okay, then you want to have 3 cups of cooked white rice. Yep, that's what it called for. Having it set at room temperature. This may be a little bit warmer. I've been waiting, but it's so warm in here, it just doesn't seem to want to cool off. Whew. Hot. Hot. And you all know me, I don't like to bang my spoons on anything. Okay, and then it says you want to toss gently like we did, add the rice and the next ingredients, which is seeded and chopped plum tomatoes. Tomatoes are very high here right now. Everything is high here right now because they know folks have their gardens going. I went to go pick strawberries today, and the local strawberry farmer isn't open because of the weather. We've had so much rain. It's a call-by-call basis to see if he's going to be open. Okay. And we're just going to give this a stir, just like this. So we can incorporate everything right in, make it yummy. Yummy, yummy in this Grammie's tummy. I know it smells wicked good. Okay. Then we're going to add, it says, 1/4 cup of fresh parsley. I didn't have fresh parsley. All I had was dry, but that's going in. My parsley's not ready yet. I am happy to say I got some cilantro though, so that was a good thing. This is going to be so good. Okay, and then you want to put your cilantro in. Cut up 2 tablespoons of cilantro. This is from our garden. And I was surprised that the cilantro didn't come back this year. Normally it's been coming back, but not this year. How about you guys? Did you guys get your cilantro to come back? Mix that in a little bit. Just like that. Get all the flavors incorporated. And now you're going to use black beans, 1 can drained. I happen to use organic black beans, And it's no artificial ingredients, no GMO, no pesticides, no chemical fertilizers. Yay on that one. So this is what I'm using for black beans. And it's 1 can, drain well. Put them right in just like this. Just like that. And now all you do is mix it up. Oh boy. Yummy. Ray's claims he's going to eat this. I'm going to bake some haddock tonight, and we're going to have it with I'm sorry, I'm tired. So we're going to have baked haddock with a white sauce, and this evening. So that's what it's going to look like. Doesn't that look really good? So let me try a little bit here. I don't want to spoil my dinner. It's in the middle of the afternoon. I want to try to get a little bit of everything. I hope everybody's having a great day. I went down to see my parents today. And like I said, doesn't that look good? And this here, it says, serve 6 people. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in canning jars, and I'm going to can it up and put it in the refrigerator. It's got a very good flavor. The cumin, you can pick that right up. I really like this. It's very, very good. And the avocados, parsley, the cilantro, the black beans, the tomatoes, the rice, everything good. So if you like this video, please give me thumbs up. You never know what's going to be on my videos. We'll see you tomorrow, and God bless. Bye now.